Hi guys, I am Jeevan and welcome to my channel Coding Knowledge. So yesterday we have posted our first video is based on a Python software. If you have not watched that video, link in the description. Go and watch the video. I will wait for you some time. I think you have watched the video. Today we are discussing in this video on a previous video software course. Before starting the video, you have to make four tasks. They are calculator, square and square root, cube and cube root, and table. Let's move on computer screen.
You can see my screen now. In Notepad, I have written all four tasks. These tasks are the four modes which we have in our software. So then, for coding, we have to create one file folder, file not folder, and give it name 4 in 1. Okay. Then open with code. I'm using VS Code for coding. You can use PyCharm also for coding or Python ID or in one p dot py dot py. Then we have to input. Then we have to import the module which name is max. After that we have to create one endless loop. I am use while loop. You can also use for loop. True. Okay. Who have done coding in Python, they know what is the true true statement in while loop. Then we have to print our software name 4 in 1, and we have to align in center. For that I have used /t keyword. Then our software name is 4 in 1 software. So, yeah. And new line character also we have to put. Then we have to print our software mode with more 4 modes. Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First mode is sorry. Okay. Our I first mode is calculator mode, calculator mode. Second is square and square root, square and square root, square root, square and square root. Second is Third is cube and cube root, cube and cube root, cube and cube root. Fourth is table. It gives you table of the number, and square and square root. It gives you square and square root of the number. Okay. You can see I have print our 4 modes: calculator, square and square root, cube and cube root, table. And cube root give you cube and cube root of the number. Okay. Let's make one input box. For input box, I have give variable name choose. No, choose no. B. Okay. B is equal to input. V is equal to input. And we have to first code for calculator mode. Then and this number you can see before the mode 1, 2, 3, 4. This number is helpful to access what each mode at a time. I will show you how. If if v is equal to 1 is equal to 1, then start the calculator mode. If you enter 1 in input box, the calculator mode will start. If you enter 2, the square and square root mode will be start. If you enter 3, the cube and cube root mode will start. And if you enter 4, the table mode are start. For calculator mode, we have to create endless loop true. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Then we have to print calculator. Sorry. Okay. Triple tap, and after triple tap we have to print the calculator mode. Copy. This here. Okay. Calculator and Newland character slash n. After that we have to take three inputs. First is number one, number input, and second is sign. In sign you have to put the addition sign, multiplication sign, subtraction sign, divide sign. Okay. And third input will be number one, number two, sorry, number two, num two input. Okay. Okay. Then now if I enter in number one and sign plus and num2 1, it will show you 2. It will give you answer 2. And now I will code for if addition. I'm commenting it, comment, okay. Then if condition, if sign equal to plus, then print, we have to first typecast the in variable float. Now variable in string we have to typecast into float because I will float. We can also do with int, but if you have to do addition of decimal number, you cannot do from the int. You have to use float class. Okay, float num1 plus float float num2. Okay, let's use You can see 1 for calculator, 1. Okay. After that, 12 plus 12. You can see 24. The addition is correct. Okay. Now we have to do for subtraction. Before that, I will give one string to this, which mode, which mode you want. You want. Okay. Okay. Then if subtraction, let's copy it. Copy. Mhm. And subtract. Now we have to do for if if multiplication. If we want to do multiplication, multiplication. Let's copy it. Save time. Okay. For multiplication, we start multiplication. Start. Sorry, we have to do it minus and here multiplication. Okay. If division, division. Okay. If sign equal to divide, then do divide. Let's use, I hope you can see the word. uh, Now we have to test calculator. First do addition. 12 plus 12, 24. Then do 12 divided by 2. Sorry, 12 divided by 2. It's 6. It's 6 multiplied by 2 is 2. If you want to exit from the calculator mode, we have to create one more if else statement. Okay, okay, we have to create one more if else statement. Then if if close, then not close if exit if exit if else if else if else num1 is equal to exit and sign is equal to exit and num2 is equal to exit sorry, quotation. Then or then do break the sorry. We have to print \n new line character. Then break the loop. Okay, break. And if anyone have wrong input, if anyone had wrong sign, then it will show you have a wrong input. If wrong input, input. Okay, then use else, else print wrong input. And here we also have to print if you want to exit, enter three times, three times exit. Okay, let's check. Mm, Then okay, calculator mode. I want to exit, then I have to enter three times exit, 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 exit. You can see I am exit from the calculator mode. I am return on the option. You can see. Then we have done with the calculator mode. This is the code of the calculator mode. Now we have to code for code for square and square root mode, and the number key for square and square root mode is 2. Okay, I will do comment on this calculator mode. And if you want the source code in description. If sorry, else if else so so if else b is equal to 2. If else b is equal to 2, b is equal to 2. We have to run one while loop, endless while loop. And I want to told you that tell you that the square and square root mode we have to divide into two parts. One is square and second is square root. Square give you square of the number and square root give you square root of the number. Hope you have understand it. Then we have to print our mode name. Print print square and square root. Okay, copy and comment on it which topic you want next video. Okay, and subscribe the channel because I have started. Then we have to also give a number key for square and square root. Then we have to print two sorry 2 for 2 for 2 for sorry 1 1 for 1 for square 1 for square. We'll do copy and paste it. 1 for square, 2 for square root, and we have to again make one input. Let's take number x, variable x input, and first we have to start with the square. First we have to write code for square. I'm going to comment if square and square root not. Okay. Then if square if condition x is equal to 1 x is equal to 1, then print then print triple tap square sorry square, and we have to take one number for we have to take one input. Num1 is equal to input, and 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 also we have to create in one we have to create one endless loop for square mode while true while true print num1 multiply by num2 sorry num1 multiply by num1, then it will be let's check it works or not. Let's delete it. Okay, now we have to use square root of 1. Then yes, we have forgot to typecast it. Then typecast uh, float no, float number two, 1, 12 is 144, and for 3 is 9, for 5 is 9, and we have for 5 is 25. If we have, if we want to exit from it, then we have to print. I will copy from here. Copy. Or if you want, want, if you want, if you want to exit, enter exit. I forgot to write want. Okay. Then check. Uh, we have to create this one if statement. F square square is sorry. You now if we want to first we have to do if we want to exit num1 is equal to exit then print slash slash n slash and break it break okay and sorry if square sorry if exit if exit if square here we have to post it square square else else print okay then we have done with square mode of square and square root then now we have to code for square root mode. Now we are going to start code for a square root mode. Square root mode. Let's start coding for square root and okay. If else sorry if square root if square root if you want to access square root if you want to use square root okay if else okay if else if else x equal to x equal to x equal to 2 then print triple tap, triple tap, triple tap, and square root, square root, square root, square root. Hmm. And I want also to add this statement, this statement. I want also to add this. Okay. And then we have to take one input, input box, then as well as you have to copy this code and paste it here. Paste. Okay. After- And then you we have imported the Max module. Now we have to use the Max module. If sorry, not if else. We have to write first comment. If square root, square root, root, sorry, comment. If else, if else, not if else, only else. Else print else print max dot sqrt load num1. Let use square root mode. Okay. To square root mode. If I enter, if so, I have done one mistake that I have not give the endless loop. Let's cut control exit, cut it, and while loop true, and let's give. I'm using alt plus click. Okay, let's restart it to 144.12. Something else went wrong. Let's run it again. Okay, so okay. Now it's 4. It will show 2. It's 9. It will show 3. Okay, it was good. And if I want to exit it, exit. And I also want to exit from it. It's not exiting. And I have do one mistake. Which more, 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 more. And I want to copy this string statement. copy and paste it here, not here, in this statement. After that, okay. If exit exit square 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 and square root mode, square and square root, okay. If else x is equal to, if else x is equal to exit x is equal to exit, then print \n \n and break the loop. Okay. Mm, This statement we have also print here. This statement. Hmm, Okay. Then we have done with calculator mode and square root mode. Let's code on the cube and cube root mode. If if else if else v is equal to 3, we we have to create one endless loop. The code you get code in the description, source code of this source code, whole source code. Okay. We have to first print the cube and cube root mode. Let's copy from here. Okay. Copy, copy, and triple tap \n. And I am also divided like square and square root mode, which cube give you cube root cube of the number and cube root give you cube root of the number. Okay. Okay. Hmm, Print print one for one for cube, print two for cube root, two for cube root, cube root. Okay. Then we have also print this statement. I will copy it and paste here. And, okay, so I want to also add a black splash. Then I want to start with code cube. First, I want to code the cube mode of the cube and cube view. Then, okay, if I forget to give one input, let's give z input, z variable input. If z is equal to 1, then print q, then print q, 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 when print, no. This statement I was also need here. Okay. Then I want one number variable for input, and first we code for exit mode because it will be easy for our if exit if num1 is equal to exit, then print and break the loop. I have not make a loop, then make it here also. Oh shit, I get forgetting to create a loop. Okay, this is my second video on this channel. Okay, please the sec subscribe my channel and like the second video and share it. If if I want cube, else else print print else print and multiply by number one num1 multiply by num1 multiply by num1. Let's use the cube and cube root mode. Okay. Cube and cube root mode. Okay. 3 for cube and cube root mode. We have done with cube mode. If I enter number 2, I get a forget to typecast it into the float. Okay. Sorry. No. Okay. 1, sorry, 3, 1, 2 is 8, 4 is 64, 5 is 125. Let adjective. Okay. For yes. Here I want to add which mode, which mode you want, want. Okay. Then if cube root, if I want cube root. If else, if else z is equal to 2, is equal to 2, equal to 2, print, print, print triple tab, cube root, cube root, root, and I want to add this statement also, copy and paste. And one number input, one input, num2. I want to copy this code, exit code here. Then if if cube root, root, cube root, mm, print, sorry, if num1 is equal, sorry, not if, else, else print, print float num1 multiply by, no, not 1, divide by, mm, divide by 3. Let's check it run or not. Device manager. Okay, 3, 2, then enter it. Sorry, it's not working. I want to check. I think that we have to do multiply triple time, double time multiplication and bracket 1. Okay, let's check it run or not. Okay, 3, 2, 3. Okay, I have not made the loop. Just getting forgetting. Just while to think, okay, we have done. We have done the three modes, cube and cube square and square root. We have not done one thing in cube and cube root, that is how to. We have not code on exit. If exit, 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 if else is equal to z, exit, print, break the loop, break the loop. Okay. Then do code for, then do code for table mode. The table mode is give you table of the number, like one, like table of one multiplied by one, two multiplied by two, one multiplied by one to the two, one three the three. If else, else b is equal to b is equal to 4, if b is equal to 4, then print table, print. Now, sorry, you have to create one endless loop, okay, print, print, triple tab, triple tab, table, table, okay. Now, we have to take, we have to do two things. First is, we have to take this code for exit code, copy, exit, okay, okay. Then, we have to create one loop, num, one num input, num1 is equal to input, okay, then is table. If you want to, if you want table of the number, then if else, if else, not if else, only else print, we have to use 10 print statement. then copy 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. For access this tool, you have to use Alt plus click keyboard. Okay. I am now going to use f string 1 multiply. I want to I want to okay. Then do num1 multiply. Okay. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10. Okay. If table. And if you want to exit the whole of program, then if then if else condition b is equal to exit exit, then print \n and break. And we have to also add here one statement if you want to exit. Okay. Copy and paste. Let's run this program. Delete it and run it again. Okay. Then for first use the table mode. 12 table. Okay. Oh, okay. There is a one problem, that is I have not do I have not done the typecasting. For that I want to do typecast. Okay. Okay. Load. No, not in table mode, not float. Not having it showing the error. So let's delete this terminal. Okay, which here he has asking which one. You can see now it's showing correct. And if I want to exit it, okay, I can exit. You can see the program is done. The software. Here I have also exit. And now we have done whole coding of this program. Now we have to convert in the software. Now how to do that? For for this procedure, we have to use we have to use the installer module. You can install the Pi installer in PowerShell or terminal of your VS Code or Python. You have to write pip install Pi installer Pi installer Pi installer. It gets stuck. I think it gets stuck. Then I had new terminal pip install Pi installer. I have found the problem that I have not connected my internet. Then you have to type into your terminal pip install Pi installer for install the Pi installer. The Pi installer module is help for the convert the Python program into the software. You can see I have already downloaded. Then you have to type Pi installer Pi installer 4 in 4 under your file name. My file name is 4 underscore in underscore 1 and 5 dot 5. You can see start converting the program into the software. Okay. And it is also giving some warning. Then if your program is not if your software is not running, then you can check the warning on Google. Then close the VS Code and open your folder. You can see this file. Open this file and the folder. You can see this file. Open this file. You can see your software is ready. This is the software. You can see it. You can do the all things. You can use this for mode. That is the we have done the code. And please and subscribe our channel and share the video and like the video. Thank you.